Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to clean air filter for your dehumidifier. Begin by turning off the dehumidifier to isolate power before handling internal components safely. Unplug the dehumidifier completely to remove electrical power before servicing internal parts. Remove the air filter carefully so it can be cleaned outside the unit. Rinse the air filter under running water until residue is removed and water runs clear across the surface. Allow the air filter to dry completely on a flat surface so no moisture remains before reinstalling. Reinstall the air filter in its original position to prepare the dehumidifier for normal operation. Plug the dehumidifier back into the wall outlet to restore electrical power after maintenance. Finally, turn on the dehumidifier to restore normal operation after completing all maintenance steps.